Peace, what's going on guys? It's Serrano here. Welcome back to the channel. Today we have an update for the Redmi Note 8 Pro. I have mine in the emerald green right here, and a lot of people I noticed have gotten theirs maybe earlier in the month, and mine has been probably like one of the latest phones to get it. Like I probably got the last batch of this update, but we're going to be comparing the Redmi Note 8 Pro versus the Redmi Note 9 Pro. But I just wanted to show you guys a quick update right here first, and we'll get into that in another video. But you can see right here we do have an update for the Redmi Note 8 Pro, so let's go ahead and click this right here, and we are running the MIUI 11. However, this is the newest update right here available, so it does say system animations, optimization and selected scenes, control center, swipe down from the upper corner to the notification shade, and from the upper right corner to the control center. So they got a new control center which kind of looks like iPhones. Then they have optimization, so you have brightness and color improvements for wallpapers in dark mode, and then right here you have optimizations for SIM compatibility issues, and dual apps couldn't use location services, but you can do that now. And then right here you do have status bar and notification shade improvements where it lights up with the new animation now, and the status bar color gradient animation fix, so the notification shade wasn't displayed correctly in dark mode. But we're gonna go ahead and download this right now. You can see right here it's asking me to do the Wi-Fi, so if you wanted to go a lot quicker, just connect to the Wi-Fi. But I'm gonna be right back, and I just really wanted to show you this quick update so you can see it's downloading. And right now I'm gonna go back and run a Geekbench test so you can actually see how this phone does perform on Geekbench. But it's definitely been a really good device in 2020, and a lot of people have been asking me, should you get the Redmi Note 9 Pro? But this device has been really snappy, and I haven't seen a reason why you should get the Redmi Note 9 Pro, because this does have the Helio G90T chip, which is actually good for playing all games on it. And you can see right here, if we go into history, we're getting a really good score here. So we got the 498 and we get the 1583 as well, and that was running on Android 9. So that was a while ago when I did that test, because now, if you didn't already know, I have Android 10 on this device. So let me just show you that. But you could basically see right here it is running on Android 10, so you know that's really cool. So what we're gonna go ahead and do is wait for this update to download, and then I'm just gonna be right back and basically show you what's gonna happen after the update. But it's definitely gonna give you some cool controls and stuff like that. You can see it's downloading, and the control center is what I'm looking forward to. Let's see, when you click the volumes, you get that shade, the volume shade, the notification shade as well. So they have a lot of improvements just on these type of little small improvements here. But you can see it goes from 5 right there to 1, 2, 3, 4, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 icons here. Alright, but we're gonna wait for this actual phone to update, and I've been waiting for this update for a really long time. Actually couldn't wait for it to come through on this device, but so far this device has been really clean, guys. I haven't had any complaints with it. Everything has been running really nicely, as you can see. You know, there's no issues with it whatsoever. The cameras have been really impressive. So I mean, the speakers are even pretty loud, but they're really easy to cover up, so that's the only thing. But this thing has a really good gaming chipset as well, and you know, it's just gonna be a really solid, you know, device for, like, you know, pretty much just, you know, doing anything, gaming. You could actually, you know, get some really good content on here if you would watch YouTube and Netflix. So, you know, I couldn't complain about that issue at all. So you do get the remote controller on here for your remote controls, like electronics and stuff. But I already see that this thing is at 26%. So it's well on its way. I'm gonna pause the video right now, but you can see right here it says swipe down from the upper left corner of the notification shade, from the upper right corner, and from the control center, which is going to be new. And you can swipe down from the upper right corner to open the shade. So I'm looking forward to that. It says swipe down from upper left, swipe down from upper right corner, swipe down. And then it says right here, control center is now closed by incoming calls. So anytime a call comes in, that'll be closed. Press and hold redirection buttons. So this is going to be a really big update. As far as the Redmi Note 9 Pro, we're going to get into that in another video, but you know, obviously this one is running the 11.0.5 version right now. Right here, so you can see they updated the older one first, so that's kind of cool. We're getting that update right now, so you know, I'm gonna do a comparison on both of these devices, but stay tuned for that. Okay guys, so you're gonna see right here that it does ask me to restart the phone now after it does get done installing. But the installation version is MIUI v12.0.10QGGE XM. So let's hit that button. Okay guys, so this is pretty much what it looks like. And so I'm just gonna pause it so you don't have to wait through this whole thing. Okay guys, so here it is, MIUI 12, and I'm greeted with this half of a planet on the front of the screen automatically, which is kind of cool. So let's just go ahead and we're gonna swipe that for the first time, and it says enter the. All right, here it goes. Years alone, meet the new MIUI 12. You can go ahead, hit next. So the features do include new animations, feel vibrant and look natural. They accompany and illustrate your actions without being irritating. So I'm not gonna watch that video, but then you get privacy protection. So this privacy protection, would you like to share the selected item, share without location info, share without metadata? So it gives you the option to click those off or on. And then you get this floating window option here. Pull down a notification sent by Messenger app to turn into a floating window. You can minimize the floating window to keep the app running in the foreground as well. And then right here you can see that you can activate control center. And let me see what this looks like. I want to watch this. Okay, so it just basically looks. Let's see, so I can't do it now. Let me hit next. And then you get this new option here called MIUI 12 new tasks. So in the notes you can make several steps to complete a task. Creating checklists of subtasks in notes is a great idea. So hit the next option, and then you get casting, which allows you to hide private items while you're casting. You can minimize the windows that's being cast and quickly do something else on your phone. And then you get this home screen option, app drawers. So you finally got app drawers if you need that. Then you got new visual experience, style and UI make communicating with your device effortless and convenient. So now let's update now, and we're all set. So you can see that the app tray, you have to activate that. Oh, it's already activated here. But let's go ahead and swipe down from the top, and you can see the new control center, and that looks very familiar, very familiar. So you can see your brightness right here. You got all your toggles here. That's for the blue light. This is auto rotate. I'm not sure why they did it like this, but you got auto brightness on and off, location right here, notifications right here. This one is for screenshot, and then you have your airplane mode, and this one locks the screen as well. So you can see that fingerprint sensor is really fast, and then unlocking it, you get a really nice animation here. So let me know what you guys think about this new update. So far, I'm really liking it. I dig the look of it. It kind of reminds me of you know what, but you still don't got access to your Google app tray. But you can see right here. Let me know down below in the comment section what version you guys are actually on. Let me just show you what version I'm using right now. So we'll go to the settings, and you'll see I got the 12.0.1. and I have the stable version, and you can see right here there's the details, and this is the specs on my device. I have the 6 GB of RAM model, the octa-core max 2.05 gigahertz, and oh yeah, we got to run a Geekbench test. That's what I forgot to do, so let's go ahead and do that right now. Let's go to Geekbench right here. So all we're gonna do is click Geekbench, and then I'm gonna pause the video after I run the Geekbench. So let me just show you the scores right here that we got on Android 9 right here, 498 and 1583. So now let's go back in and run a new one, 498 and 15, what was it, 1583. Okay, so I already could see right here, guys, we did have a 498 and a 1583, I believe. However, these ones are lower, so you know you will see a little bit of a drop, but these scores don't really mean nothing to me. They don't really mean nothing in real day-to-day testing. The phone's gonna be just as snappy and efficient as before. So you can see right here, we do have that control center which changed. Let's go into the cameras. Okay, this is new. It says right here, select function for shutter. So the shutter button, I'll click this one, and then that'll be the shutter button. So right here, they're giving you Pro right here. So that's the first option. So you could choose between white balance, auto, focus, shutter, speed right there, ISO, and you can choose between the angles of the camera as well right here. This is really interesting stuff here. So you can see the macro won't give you great quality in low light. Next is the videos, photos, where you can get all the camera angles as well. Then you get the portraits, and then when you click here, you get the 64 megapixel camera dedicated as well for some really good details. So I think that's cool, guys. What do you guys think? Let's wait for that to zoom in. It's not actually focusing. There we go. You zoom in and it won't blur out at all, no matter how far you zoom in. So that's the benefit of the 64 megapixels, is that it won't blur no matter how far you zoom in, which is kind of cool. But let me know what you guys think about the update. I definitely think this is nice makeover, kind of a refresh here. And then right here, always make sure you download these updated apps in the updater option here. So you got music, cloud, Xiaomi services, and recorder, screen recording, themes, and compass as well. So definitely just update those. But hopefully you did find this helpful, guys. But be sure to check out more videos just like this, and if you aren't already subscribed to the channel, make sure you go ahead and do so and ring that notification bell. But I'll see you guys later. Peace. Have a great morning, afternoon, evening. Check you guys later. Peace. Later.